Hello there, my name is Valerie White Williams and I would like to welcome you to YouTube Success Strategies. This is a group where I plan to teach you guys my secrets of building a YouTube channel which generates revenue and tracks clients to you. I'm going to be using this Facebook group to do a 5-day challenge to introduce you to some of the teachings and the skill sets to really make YouTube work for you. Why I'm so passionate about YouTube is it's completely free. It's just a resource that you can build your channel and bring people to you. That was my experience when I created my second YouTube channel in 2010. I already had a channel with my little kids doing goofy stuff, but I wanted to create a new channel when I moved to Seattle in 2010, and I had to remarket my studio and get students in a very crowded competitive field. So I thought, hey, I'll create a YouTube channel and that will get me clients in Seattle, so people could get to know me and go, hey, she looks cool, I'll get a lesson with her. What happened is I ended up getting clients from all over the world. I had no expectation of that happening. I was really surprised when that first client came to me asking and begging me to teach her. And so since that time, I have literally worked with clients all over the world from all the major continents, and I've had many online students and I love working with them, and I've been doing that for almost 11 years. So what I'm showing you in this group and in my challenges and in my courses is how to make YouTube work for you. Now, all you guys that are already teaching and have clients, you know what you need to do. So it's not about the content, it's about how to market the content. And there's two sides of the YouTube puzzle. We definitely want to have good content that is designed for our ideal clients, but we also want to optimize the channel. We need to optimize the keywords, the descriptions, so people can find you on the search. The other equation is to use great thumbnails. Thumbnails that are eye-catching, that tell exactly what your content is about. So those are the two sides of it. What's important to realize is that YouTube acts like social media, but it's really a search engine. So having that great content is part of it, but I've seen so many friends and colleagues having great content and they're not getting any views. So this warms my heart. I want to help you guys all get the clients you deserve and get you the traffic you deserve with your great content. And so that's what this group is about. And I so look forward to helping you guys get your YouTube together and get you the clients you so deserve. All right, if you have any questions, don't hesitate to tag me and let me answer your questions. I'm so excited for this YouTube journey.